How to plan for your child's education expenses. School fees, college tuition, coaching classes, all add up. A simple way to estimate costs. Look up current tuition fees. Factor in inflation. Let's say 7 to 8% per year and calculate how much you'll need in 10, 15 years. The earlier you start, the less you need to save each month. Example, if you save Rs 5000 per month from your child's birth in a fund earning 10% annual returns, you could have around Rs 38, 40 lakh by the time they turn 18. Safe options: PPF Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana for girls, fixed deposits. Growth options: mutual funds, SIP, stocks, ETFs, diversified. A mix of safe and high return investments gives the best results. Child education plans from insurance companies. But be careful of high fees. Mutual fund SIPs labeled for education, more flexibility and better returns. Factor in inflation when calculating savings goals. Opt for tax-saving investments like ELSAS, PPF or ATC benefits on education loans. Get life insurance to secure your child's future. Create an emergency fund so that short-term financial hiccups don't disrupt education plans. Subscribe to the channel for more updates like this.